Here are 6 Android tips and tricks that you might not know. But before that, hey guys, I'm Hafeel back again with another video. This time it is about 6 Android tips and tricks that you might not know. But if you already knew any of these, then do let me know in the comment section. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos on Nokia and other stock Android phones. And those who have already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. The very first thing is about this dialer. So did you know that if you want to dial the last dialed number, you can just simply tap here and double tap here and it will dial the last dialed number. Did you know this? So what do you have to do? Suppose this is the last dialed number, tap here, double tap. That's it, right? This can be used. So do let me know in the comment section. Is it helpful? Do let me know. Next thing is about the Chrome app. Nowadays we do a lot of online searching and we use a lot of things on net, right? So it may happen that you have opened a lot of tabs. Here you can see that 14 tabs. Now normally what we do, if we have to jump onto any particular tab, normally we tap here and then we select, right? Or if we have to close any, then close it like this, right? But what you can do, instead of doing it like this, you can simply swipe it like this, right? So did you know this? You can do it like this. It's really simple, right? And it works fine, right? So do let me know if you have liked this one. Plus, how to copy any particular link. The third thing, how to copy. Simply, normally what we do, simply just tap here and then we copy, right? This is normally what we do. But what you can do, instead of doing that, you can simply tap here, the 3 vertical dots, then share and copy to clipboard. So this way you can share the link or copy the link. Fourth one is how to save any particular page in PDF, right? So most of the times people, what they do, they just copy the text and paste it. Now instead of doing that, what you can do, tap here, again go to share, then this is the option that you have, you can find it here, print. So tap there, then instead of selecting the printer, what you have to do, select save as PDF. So it will save the web page in the form of PDF, so you can access it offline too. So this is also a really good feature that you can use. The next one is actually shortcuts. Do you know that you can create shortcuts, means keyboard shortcuts? Like suppose most of the times we have to type our email IDs, phone number, address, right? So instead of typing the whole content, what you can do, simply create shortcuts. Suppose if I type your ID and space, automatically it will show my email ID. So that's really good. So how to do it? Or you can even create shortcuts for your address. How to do it? You have to get one application that is called Typing Hero. This one, I'll be giving this link in the description. So you just have to install this app and then add here, okay? And first of all, you have to type the shortcut, suppose AD. Suppose here I am typing my address, India, then Vadodara, right, Gujarat. Okay, now save. AD is already there, so I have to do AD2. Done. You may have 2 addresses, right? So you can use that. Now if I type anywhere and I simply type AD2, then you can see that it is already there. But that was AD, first one, but I need AD2, so it is not happening now, right? So why it is not happening, let me show you that. Because I have already added one address with the same shortcut, just the difference is that at the end it is AD then 2. Now how to change this? Go to that app again. Now here you can see that 2 addresses are there, right? You can see this one, right? So what I have to do, I have to edit the previous one. Okay, here you can see that 2 options are there. Replace keyword with text after typing space. That means what? Once you tap on space, then it will be shown. So I have to do that. Otherwise automatically it will take the text that you have put actually. So save it. Now what happens again? Now if I type A D and space, it will show you the previous one. But if I type A D 2, then last one, okay, the second one. So this is how you can change it. So I believe this is also very helpful, because nowadays we type our address, email IDs, so many times while using any particular function on smartphone. So I believe this will help you. Last one is actually about screen pinning. So do you know what is the use of screen pinning? Let me show you that. And where is it? If you go to settings, then just search PIN. It will show you screen pinning, right? Here you can see that this one, screen pinning. Tap there and you just have to turn this on. Okay, now this one, ask for unlock pattern before unpinning. If you turn this on, what happens? You have to unlock the phone. Okay, so that is really good. You just have to turn this on. Why I'm saying it is important, let me tell you that. Suppose if you're watching something, if you're reading something on particular, suppose this is the page that you're reading. Now you're also watching something on YouTube. Okay, suppose you're watching something, any video, and you just want to share it with your friend. Okay, but you don't want him to know what you're reading here. Okay, so normally what happens, if you just hand it over to your friend, they can simply, suppose this is the app, this is the YouTube app. Okay, suppose they are watching it, they have watched it. Now if they just swipe it up like this, and they can check this one also, right? But if you want that they cannot do this, then what you have to do, you have to spin this screen. So that means what? They cannot go back or forward, they can just check what is there on this screen. How to do it? As we have already set that on, you just have to swipe it up like this. Then here you can see that app icon, tap here, then pin screen. Okay, now got it. Now you can see that if you give it to someone else, now what happens if they back button or they just want to change this window, they cannot. The screen is pinned. Now after that, how to unpin this, right? All you have to do, this home button and the back button together. Okay, done. Now when you do this, what you have to do, you have to set the pattern again, right? That's the reason that I told that you have to check that button, pattern or lock. Otherwise it will simply unlock the pinning. Now you can see that it is done, gone. Right? So I believe these are a few tips and tricks that you can use, and if you find that these are really useful, then do subscribe to my channel and do share your opinion. And if I have to make more videos on these kind of things, do let me know. And if you already knew any of these, then do let me know. And if you know something that is really secret and that is something useful, then do share in the comment section. So before we say bye, thanks for watching, and if you like it, do share it with your friends. So till the next video, cheers guys.